At Media Lab Science, we capture the tester's journey from clinical trials through creative content. Anna's lifestyle photos and video were used in a national marketing campaign.
I live in Hollywood, so my skincare should be on point. My skin wasn't the best. I suffer from razor bumps. My skin 5-6 years ago was a completely different story. Having great skin is really important to me. This is something I can just take on the go and I can use it on the day-to-day, and I know I'm getting the results and I'm seeing the results, and it's better than what I've been using in the past.
Real user experiences, powerful and authentic. Perfect for social media.
Kind of felt like it sort of just absorbed and, was part of my skin, which is nice. I didn't feel like there was a layer on top, which I feel like sometimes happens with moisturizers.
I'm ready to manifest my dreams. I will nourish my inner child as I let my dreams take flight.
At Media Lab Science, we capture the tester's journey through B-roll, peer reviews, and more. You see your product and its clinical results embodied in real life. Real user experiences, powerful and authentic. Perfect for social media.